Hey, my name is Nathalie and I love bags. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I have another bag review. By the way, you guys know that I live in Jakarta, Indonesia, and it's super hot, so I always have to turn on my aircon, so I hope that the audio is good. So in today's video, I'm going to review a bag from this company that is called Rounn, and it spells R-O-U-N-N. This is how the bag looks like. I got the Julia 26, so the name of the bag is Julia and the size is 26 cm. So it looks like this. Super cute bag. Okay, first of all, I'm just gonna introduce and talk to you about the brand. So the brand is called Rounn and it is an Indonesian company. I think they established it in 2014 because on the box it says 2014. Their bags are all handmade and they are made in Surabaya. So how can you order Rounn Bags? Well, you can go onto their website, and if I'm not mistaken, their website is just www.rounn.com. I'm gonna put everything down below. I'm gonna put like their website and their Instagram down in the description box so you can have a look there. And they do ship worldwide. So when you go onto their website, they have a variety of models, and I was honestly attracted to the Julia one. If you live outside of Indonesia, I would definitely recommend to go onto their website because they have like an US dollar currency, like an international website. On their website, what is nice is that you can custom actually your bag. So they do made to order, custom made bags. And every model that they carry there, you can like choose like the color of the handles, the color of like your name tag, the leather, and basically, yeah, it's such a fun website because you can like visualize the bag that you're creating. So that's pretty fun in my opinion. If you live in Indonesia, you can just go onto their Shopee online store and they have already bags that are like pre-made, and then you can just go onto there and then select the bag that you want and they will deliver it to you. So before I talk more about the bag, let's rewind to the day that I got the bag and I just unboxed it. So here's a clip. Okay, so why I got the bag, I wanted to find like a nude tone bag. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I love colors. I'm obsessed with colors. I love colors. As you can see, my room is pretty much colorful and bright. And I don't know, like maybe because I'm getting older and more mature, I'm really looking for like a more chic bag that has like more of a, I don't know, ladylike feel, as well as finding something unique on the market. I like my bags to be unique. That's something that I'm drawn to. I'm not really drawn to like classic pieces. Sometimes I'm really drawn to like bags that are classic but with like a twist or something like that, and this bag is that. So I got this bag and I'm super excited to wear. Have I worn it yet? No. That's the problem. I'm reviewing this and I haven't worn it because, hello, quarantine, we're all at home. And I mean, like, poor girl. She hasn't like seen the daylight. She has been like in her box. I feel you, girl. Let's wait for a couple of months and then I'm gonna enjoy this bag. Now let's talk about the aesthetic and the design of the bag. So as you can see, it is actually like it looks like a bit of like a trapeze shaped bag, but it's actually rectangular. And I got it in the 26 cm. It comes in actually 3 sizes. It comes in a 20 cm, 26, and they just released a 30. I'm gonna insert here some pictures for you to check on their sizing. You can also get a free monogram name tag, and it says here behind Rounn 2014, and then here in front it has my initials, Nathalie Alexandra NA. As you guys know, I love anything with initials. I think that's such a cute touch for brands when they do that. So I got it in the Croco Nude color, and as you can see, it is a nudish color, but for me, I'm more towards a taupish color, more cool, like it has a hint of pink. It is definitely not like nude cream, like cream yellow, like some bags, you know what I mean, like it's more of a warm undertone, and this one is definitely more cool undertoned. And I got it in this like Croco embossed leather. I have to say the touch feels very smooth, but I think because it is embossed, I think that I'm not gonna scratch the bag that fast. Yeah, it's not like Soffiano leather, it's different for sure. It is more soft. So I got the bag in a gold hardware, super simple hardware, nothing fancy, just a very easy closure like this. You can also close your bags, like, the handles to make it closer, like so. Super cute. I really like this bag, and it's also not so heavy because there isn't so much hardware. It's very lightweight. The inside is gray, and it's like from this velvet material. Inside, as you can see, it has like this zipper, and you have like a card, and it shows you how to take care of it actually. On the sides, you have another pocket. So you have two side pockets here and here. I don't know if you can see that. And you have one back pocket with a zipper. So yeah, an iPhone 7 Plus won't fit inside the back pocket. So yeah, it's a bit too big, just for your information. And on the side, you also can't put your phone. So if you have a bigger phone than me, or yeah, same size, you can't fit inside the back pocket. So the handle feels really nice, feels very soft to be touched, and yeah, it's not like rough. The bag, unfortunately, this is a bit like a minus point on my side. I love bags with feet just because I don't really like that if I put like my bag on the floor, like the leather touches directly onto the floor. So this is not a bag that I will put on the floor. I would definitely put it like on my lap or on the sofa when I'm like eating at the restaurant, something like that, but I wouldn't like put it on the floor. But well, you never know. I just like bags with feet. I think that's something that is missing. Also, I cannot really remember the length of the strap. The strap, you cannot take it out and you cannot adjust it, but it comes with like this, what is it called, like a shoulder rest, is that what you call? I'm not too sure what exactly this term is called, but I can't remember the length of this strap. By looking at it, it looks like it's like around like 50 to 70 cm. I'm gonna insert here a clip of myself wearing this bag so you can see where it falls around. Like, I am around 1.53 meters, so around 5 feet tall, and it comes like onto like above my hips. Again, it is a 26 cm, and I was actually debating getting a 20 or a 26 one, and I have a lot of mini bags, and I decided to get the 26 so that I can fit a bit more. Otherwise, I only collect like super mini bags, and I just need to stop with that addiction. So I got myself like a bigger size, but I think it's suitable for my body frame. It's not too big, it's also not too small. I think it's like the perfect sizing. Okay, when it comes to the stitching, because it's all handmade, I have to say that the stitching is very good. Not like perfect, but good. Could it be better? Yes, for sure. But I'm gonna talk to you about the price later on. But in terms of like the design, like I find that around my tag area, like there are parts that it could be more, like it could, like the job could be done better in my opinion. I mean, it's really well made in my opinion. Like if it's like handmade and it is an Indonesian local brand, I find that it's really good. I absolutely love the shape of it. Like this below part is pretty soft. So in my opinion, they need to have a system where you can have more support down below here. Just because I'm just frightened if I put more, it will like mess up the shape of the bag. I'm just frightened that if I really put like a lot, you see it's gonna, I don't know, mess up like the bag. I'm not sure how to explain, but I'm frightened like if I put like something that's like 2 kilo, it definitely will go like that, right? So definitely need more support. But then again, I'm not somebody who brings like their whole life inside their bag, so I'm fine with it. But I'm just frightened like in the long run, will the bag keep its shape? I don't know, because I haven't taken out this bag, but maybe in a couple of months or maybe in another year, I can do another review of this bag and see if the shape holds well without like more support underneath. Also, I'm pretty sure that if you are somebody who loves bag, you might think that this is like a dupe for the Hermes Lindy bag. So I'm gonna insert a picture here of the Lindy bag and you can compare with this. And I found it has a similar silhouette. The only difference between the Lindy bag and this one is that the Lindy bag has like a flap over here, right? It has a flap over here and it has like zippers whereby you can take out the flap. But the shape and the aesthetic wise, because of the handle that is parallel to each other, makes it look like the Lindy bag. So yeah, but I can't compare that Hermes bag to this bag just because I don't own a Hermes bag. But the reason why I say it looks like the Lindy bag is because I think in my gut that they took inspiration from that bag. So in terms of the price wise, so I got this, there was like a 10% discount when I got this. So I got this at around like let's say like I'm gonna up the price a bit, like 1,500,000 like with shipping. And so that is around 103 US dollars. I mean, for the price, this is like a steal. Like, I mean, the stitching, yes, could be improved, but the bag, the shape is there. Their packaging was really well. Their service online, like even on Shopee, when I received the bag, they're like, oh, have you received the bag? And when I ordered too, like in the next day, they contacted me and said, oh, what are your initials? You can get like free initials on your tag. Kindly let us know. And they were really, really kind, I don't know, on their customer service. And I think that's really important. And for the price that I paid, I honestly am not going to complain a lot about this bag. I love the color. Yes, it is stunning. I don't know, I'm obsessed with this color. I don't own something like this. I think it is classic, chic, and unique at the same time, and that's what I'm looking for in a bag. It is super lightweight, so when you're petite like me, I don't want to carry like a 5 kilo handbag. I don't know how many kilos is this, but it's not 5 kilos. Has this shorter strap that, yes, it's not adjustable, but at least you can wear it like this, and you can wear your bag like this, and you can wear your bag like this. I mean, it's so versatile, and for 103 US dollars, I mean, it's amazing. You're supporting like local businesses, and you're supporting handmade goods, which I love. I love stuff that are handmade. Yeah, I'm in love with this bag, and I really want to explore with her the world, but currently we're just gonna explore my bedroom. So what can I put inside this bag? So I can put like my wallet, I can put like my phone, my charger, my power bank charger that I can't live without. I can put like obviously the cable of the charger, and I can also put like my studio earphones with what is it called, the casing. And then I can put like my pouch where I put like my lipstick, my hand cream, like some medicine there. And yeah, it still holds the shape pretty well. I thought it might change a bit of the shape, but like I've said, I'm not too sure how this bag will hold up in time. So definitely want to review this bag in another year. So the overall rating, taking into account their customer service, their aesthetic, design, price, and value, I would give this bag a score of 8 out of 10. Why am I giving this an 8 out of 10? Because one, I wish that this bag had feet. If you guys know, like I said, I wish it had feet underneath and a bit more support in that area. I wish that in some part of my name tag, the stitching is better. Like on the bag is really good. Like on the bag, I'm not gonna complain. It's just for my name tag, I find that like around this area, I don't know, like they could have done something better in my opinion. But overall, you can see like their stitching is really good. And will I ever buy another bag from them? Yes, I will definitely buy another bag from them. I want to get myself a Feliz bag. I think either a 21 or a 23 cm, I'm not too sure, and I want to like custom make one. Like this one, I bought it like monochromish, you know, like one tone. And I think like my next bag, I really want to go onto their website and like choose the color of the bag, choose like the color of the handle, the leather that I want to use, like embossed or not embossed, patterned or not, like play around with it. But yeah, overall, I will definitely get myself another bag from them, and I will highly recommend for you to get one because I think it's a great brand. And then they also ship internationally, so have fun, go to their website, enjoy making your own bag and be your own designer, since we're all stuck at home, and it's nice to also support local businesses. So for this review, I didn't know if I wanted to do it in Indonesian or in English, but since they have international shipping, I thought why not make it in English so that everyone could know about this brand and go onto their website. And yeah, I want to say thank you for hanging out with me. I hope you go and check this brand out, and I'll see you next time, maybe with another bag. I don't know when I will buy another bag, but you guys know I love bags. So if you want to see more bag content, please comment down below and let me know what other bag content you want to see. But yeah, for now, thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll see you soon. Bye!